Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super cute and cozy. It's perfect for this time of the year, which is November. Happy November, you all. It's my favorite time of the month because it's my birthday month. Yay! Wish me in the comments. All of these night suits are super cute. I love each and every one of them, and all of them are from Meesho, and all are under rupees 400, which is crazy for the things that I've found. These are super cute. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first up, I have this night suit. This is in a very pretty light green sort of color. This is the shirt. This is very cute. It has leaves, different colors of leaves and flowers printed all over. This has a very thin collar, and it has this beautiful deep green lining which is going on in the entire shirt. I love this cute pocket. It gives very cozy and Pinteresty sort of vibes. This material is silk blend, and currently this is for only rupees 295. All of these night suits are in the size M, by the way, and all of the sizes and prices will be mentioned on the screen right here as we go. This is the short. Now this short is actually like a little tight for me. Actually, this shirt is also a little bit like, this just fits perfectly, and I like my night suits to be a little looser. That's why I ordered the size M, but only this one in particular was a little tighter. So if you are in my size, which is usually S, go for L if you like it a little bit loose. But if you want your night suits to be your perfect size, then you can go for M. Now coming to the shorts, as I said, the shorts are actually extremely tight on me. I wouldn't say extremely tight, but they also fit like perfectly. They don't fit like shorts, they fit like denim shorts. They are hugging my body, sort of like that, and it's not fully hugging my body but also not loose at all. Okay, this also has this outline of dark green and the same print, and the elastic is actually pretty solid. The quality is actually good for this time of the year. Not so good for summers. Definitely it's not cotton. This is in silk blend, but this looks super cute, and is also like quite comfortable. It will not irritate you in any way. So yeah, I would give it a 3.5 out of 5, minus 1 for the size and fitting, and I would give it like a 3.75 on 5. Coming to the second night suit, which is this one. This is also in a very dark green color. This is a perfect like olive color you wear for this time of the year, which is fall. This is how it looks like. It has this tiny pocket at its shirt. It also has a white line outline going on all over it, and look at the bunnies. They are so. Where are the bunnies? Where are the bunnies? Found one bunny. Here is the very cute bunny. Oh my god, this looks so cute. And there is, like, I don't know, sort of like a goggle sort of thing going on all over the shirt, and also a little bunny outlines going on all over the shirt. It has a very thin collar, but the best thing about this suit is the quality. It's so good. It's actually very soft. I mean, not plasticky at all. It's cotton material. I think it's cotton blend, but it's so comfortable, very lightweight, perfect for this time of the year. It's amazing. I don't have any complaints about this. The stitching is also very good. Now coming to the pajamas, this is how it looks like. Now this also has bunnies printed all over it, the same print basically. It has a fairly good elastic, and this is a full length pajama. It also has this white lining going on. Now I am 5'6", and all of these pajamas are actually a little shorter on me because I think they have been made keeping the average height in mind. So if you are 5'2" to 5'3", they will fit you perfectly, but if not, if you are taller than that, then they will be a little shorter on you. Like, this basically reached my ankles, not my ankles. So yeah, keep that in mind. But I think they are perfect to wear at home, and they're very comfortable, very very comfortable. Also, I forgot to mention that this one is on the little pricier side. I got it for 430 rupees, which is a little bit above 400, but this is absolutely perfect for the price. No complaints at all. 5 on 5. Next up, I have a very cute white PJ set, and it's the perfect aesthetic, Pinteresty quad night suit you'll ever find. This is the shirt. Just look at it. It's so coquette core. Wait, the sleeve is inside. It's so coquette core, you guys. It's so cute. This is a ribbon situation going on. The fabric is thick, okay, so it is not see-through at all. I love the black lining going on all over the shirt. It looks very pretty. I love this puff sleeves situation going on in its sleeves. This is also a little above 400. I got it for 422. So yeah, this is also very cute. I love how this looks on me. It's very it's very comfortable also. It's not in pure cotton. It says cotton blend. So yeah, it's perfect for this time of the year. You cannot wear it in summers all throughout the day if it's very hot at the place that you live, okay, like me, like I live in West Bengal. So it will become too hot for me to wear this during summers, but perfect for this time of the year. This is how the pants look like. Pretty basic full length pants. It's also reach my ankle. It has pockets, so yeah, that's amazing. It has both pockets. It has two pockets, both at the front, so yeah, it's amazing. The elastic is also very good. The quality is very nice, not see-through at all. Yeah, I give it like I think I also give this one a 5 star, and this is probably my favorite one from the entire haul. Next up, I have a very cute PJ set, which is this. Now, the thing that I received is not the same as what was shown in the picture. Let me show you why. Now, this is the shirt. Now, as you can see in this shirt, there is no outline, okay? There's a very cute pink outline which was shown in the picture, but here there is no outline. But apart from that, it is exactly the same. There are the perfect cherries and these cute cats all over. The polka dots are also perfect, but there is no outline, and yeah, it does not look as cute as it was in the picture. The collar is very thin. The material is actually very comfortable. This is the most comfortable of all of the night suits in this haul. So yeah, if you don't have any problem with the outline, you can definitely go for it. And this is actually a set of three. So we got three things at 525. At 525, so which is amazing. Let me show you the bottom and the shorts as well. So this is the bottoms. First bottom, this is a full length pajama, same print, same thing happening all over. Now the stitching is not very good in this pajama, but other than that, the elastic and the fit and everything is actually pretty good. It has pockets, but only on one side. Like here is one pocket on the right, but there is no pocket at its left. I don't know why. It's the same situation for the shorts also. It just has one pocket and not the second pocket on its left. So yeah, but the shorts are also in the same pattern, same print, very comfortable, very breathable. Probably should have gone for large to have that loose effect of night suits, which I like. But yeah, it's definitely fine. It's very comfortable. It looks pretty cute. If you don't have a problem with that outline, you can definitely go for this one. I'll give it a 4.5 on 5, deducting zero point 0.5 because of no outline. Now we have come to the last night suit of this haul, and it is in this very cute black and pink combo. Just look at it, you all. It has this very cute bows on both sides at its chest. Oh my god, it looks so cute. This is only for 367, by the way, and it has this pink outline going on all over it, which is just super cute. This fits me amazingly well. This fits me the best. I think also the white one, which is also very coquette core. This is also like straight out of Pinterest. The material is polyester, but very breathable polyester. It's not going to irritate your skin at all. I've been wearing I have wore this for an entire day. So yeah, I think it's very comfortable, especially during this time of the year. Now coming to the pants, they are very basic black pants, but the not so basic thing is just the pink lining at the end, at the bottom of the pants. So yeah, that's the only different thing. But apart from that, yeah, they have pockets, which is amazing. Two pockets at both sides. Yeah, I love it. I love how this looks on me. No complaints at all. 5 on 5 stars. If this would have been in cotton, this would have been like my absolute favorite night suit for this upcoming season. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you all love this haul. I have done a Meesho haul after a really long time. I think probably after a month or so, and I hope that you really liked it. I am thinking of coming up with a bags haul next. If you want, I'll be coming out with a very cute, fall winter sort of fall winter coded bags collection. Tell me in the comments if you want to see that. I'm very excited for the next video, and with that, I'll see you very soon next week. All the links will be mentioned in the description box, and if anything is out of stock, I'll try to add similar ones too. And yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please subscribe, you all. I mean, we're so close to 10K. I hope we can reach 10K before my birthday. uh, it will be so perfect, to reach 10K before my birthday. It will be like a double celebration. Yeah, hoping for that, manifesting that. But even if not, manifesting for that. And yeah, I'll see you very soon next week with a brand new video. Bye.